There is my new family member. Her name is Simba. And she's a little baby kitten. And she is passed out. Oh, look how cute. She's adorable. Oh. So now I have two kitties. I have Daisy over there. Over somewhere. Daisy! There she is. She's over there. She's not liking the new family member at the moment. She keeps hissing at the new family member. But she'll get over it and she'll stop. There's the balloons for Valentine's Day. Flowers. But here's my little one here. I want to make a video of her and put it on my YouTube channel of my new addition. She is just as sweet as she can be. And she's housebroken. She uses a litter box. She does not make any messes. So, and I went and picked her up today. So today is her birthday, we're going to say. Her home birthday, her come home birthday. But went and took her away from her kitty mama. How adorable she is, sleeping like that. She's just so cute. She loves me, that's for sure, because she's all curled up right there. At me, asleep. If you're wondering what that blinking is, it's my tree. That's my Christmas tree. I leave my Christmas tree up all year round because I am visually impaired, so I leave it up all year round so I can use the lights at night. Yes, my living room is sort of a mess. There's my stroller for my kitties. I'll be able to take this one out in the stroller probably this weekend. I'll take her down to the flea market and show her off. Mm-hmm.